Welcome. Congratulations for choosing to improve your life. This is the first step of a potentially life-transforming experience. I'm so excited about tapping because when I learned it in 2001, I was so psyched that there was something you could do all by yourself to help yourself. How cool is that? So instead of always having to go see a practitioner, here was a great self-help tool that I could use to help myself and others feel better. Learning and using this system gives you a tool that you can use to actually release and heal, like deeply heal, stuff that's happening in your life. And really, that's quite profound. Now, I've seen amazing things happen with tapping, and I've also heard and read a lot of powerful tapping stories. And with my clients and on myself, the results have been very impressive. I've had clients go from severe depression to feeling happy and finding joy in their lives. I've had some go from having panic attacks so severe that they couldn't even leave their home or be alone, transform all the way to getting out, having a life, getting a job, and having great relationships. There have even been people who have improved their eyesight. I've also worked with athletes to help boost their performance and to improve their head game. It's amazing for that, actually. And I've tapped with many clients on pain. Pain can respond beautifully to tapping, even chronic pain. It depends on the nature and the origin of the pain, but I've seen back pain clear up in just a session or two. I've seen pain from a car accident that happened 20 years ago go from a 10 intensity rating down to a 3 within 20 minutes. Once the initial trauma was cleared, the pain dissipated. That's not uncommon. But that being said, the really quick 1-minute wonders aren't all that common, but they do happen. So this particular product is not a comprehensive training course, but you will learn quite a bit of foundational information and you'll be able to tap on yourself for many issues after working on it. I want to stress that this product is not meant to be a substitute for attending a certifying EFT tapping training or for seeing a certified EFT tapping practitioner. This product is essentially a self-help instructional guide to show you what tapping is and how you can really get started in your own practice. There is much more to learn, which is quite exciting and fun. I've been so passionate about this for years and ever since I learned it. So when I started a lot of years ago, no one was safe from my need to tap on them. I was on a mission to tap on everyone about everything, including myself. So since then, I've calmed down a bit and I've continued learning, and I enjoy learning other healing modalities, which I now sometimes incorporate into my client sessions and in my practice. I've also stretched my experience with tapping, learning advanced tapping techniques and even creating some of my own. It continues to be so much fun. So it's really easy to do once you learn the process, and it's very exciting and empowering to have a tool that you can use anytime something comes up that bothers you. It's literally right at your fingertips. So there are some problems that we think are never going to budge, that they're never going to move. But then you start tapping on it, and if you're persistent, you usually get results. Issues gently dissolve into non-issues and the disappearance of symptoms as you continue tapping. Like I said, however, it may take some time. But the results are totally worth it, and there's really nothing quite like it.